Pec Smach or ball. Do you struggle to put your arms overhead without bending your elbows or arching your back? Do you feel shoulder pain when overhead pressing, performing handstands, doing Olympic snatches, or at the very bottom of chin-ups? Chances are you have tight pecs. I explain this a little more in the Test and Fix Your Overhead Mobility for Handstands video. A simple tool we can use as a quick fix for tight pecs is foam rolling. I find foam rolling is only a short-term solution and not the answer to long-term flexibility. However, foam rolling your tight pecs before doing any overhead work can have a positive effect on the training session. You can use a foam roller, but it's nowhere near as good as the Orb Ball for targeting the pecs. Stand next to the wall and position the ball on the pec just below the clavicle. I find bending the elbow and placing the hand behind my back offers the best position for this movement. If you have super tight pecs or you've had a shoulder injury in the past, you might not be able to place the hand behind your back. You can still do this movement by holding the hand beside the body. Find what works best for you. Walk the feet away from the wall so you can lean into the ball. Then begin to roll against the ball by bending the knees and moving the torso up and down. You can also rotate the torso and shift the ball around as needed. As the muscle starts to walk up, you can move the feet further away from the wall and lean into the ball with more force. If you find any tight or chunky areas, I recommend you focus on ironing them out. If you have tight shoulders, I'd recommend spending a good 60 seconds on each side before doing any overhead pressing or pulling work. You can do multiple sets between overhead pressing and pulling work if you like. If you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe as this encourages me to keep sharing great content.